Hello, today we are playing Roblox Natural Disaster Survival. Sour Patch Kids. What? How long until everyone dies? Oh. I am the one who... Happy home. It's me, Peppa Pig. Whee! Most people just go over there. I'm just gonna go over here to the slide. Whee! Oh, only R15 can use emotes. Just running on. Ow! Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, the tsunami is coming from the farthest way it can. Oh, I don't see it anywhere. Oh, I don't see it. I don't see it. Ah! I'm alive! Never mind. Ah. Survivors? Mom, I'm recording a video. Mom. You're unstoppable. Buy like 38 of these. Whopper who? Absolutely insane. How do you play? Hey. No, XD. Hola. Story Ninjago XD. Stay under the gray parts and you'll be safe. Ooh, skull! Skull's done over. I hope. Anywho, I'm gonna hide under the stairs. Nobody will catch me under here unless there's a tsunami. I bet there's a tsunami. Oh, yep, it's a tornado. Let me out. There's gonna be a tornado. If it's not a okay, it might be a blizzard. Oh, yep, that's a blizzard. Hey, this was my idea. I should be safe right here. Okay, adventure. How am I warm? I'm gonna post like 3 videos in a row. Get under the stairs. Does it really depend on where my camera's at? No. What? Literally, I just got, I got flanked. I got flanked. Flanked. I don't know. I just did. A big king now. Ah! Please teleport me. Well, I guess that's the end for this video.